put in there, and it's gonna get stitched up into a quilt, and then she's just gonna have to die and be part of it.
That's when I was with.
What happened to your third daughter? Well, she's part of the quilt now. Fucking hair got caught in, and we just stopped feeding her.
Mechanism.
Okay.
You will want to thread your machine in the normal way up to the point of this location here, with the needle being properly inserted. The other two parts of the automatic threader that you should be aware of is
coming off the top, going sort of counterclockwise.
Counterclock.
Make sure your thread's like this, coming off the top.
I don't get it. What did you call that, you Asian bitch?
Turn the pattern symbol into the satin stitch.
Satin stitch? Is that what you say with your mouth?
Holder.
I bet there's settings I'm supposed to hit before this, but... Oh, are we angry? 2. Yep. Hey! What? Zigzag? Oh, that's changing the width setting. The other setting, I have absolutely no idea. How about... It knows I'm doing something wrong. Oh! What was that? Oh!
Hey, we got action.
All right.
And lower the press your foot lever.
You know,
Try fast forward that motherfucker.
what is this for?
By lightly holding the upper
Not a
thread with
clue.
your left hand, turn the thread wheel toward you to lower the needle into.
Just hammer it.
Yeah,
Is
she's...
that high speed?
No, I think this is high speed.
Woo!
Oh! That's dangerous.
Up to the marking.
Oh, okay.
Is it doing good things?
And raise the
I
needle.
think so.
Put it on high speed and just rip that fucker through.
Okay.
Alright, things have happened.
Frame.
Now, well, can't say it's not sewn together.
Chavez has sort of prided himself on being more aggressive later in his career in some part to try to break down this UFC door, but
It's
like
a little bit.
ball sticking out onto this. I need just
We're also going to use
look
a
how
thread that does not match.
Shin. I mean, that is an enormous amount of swelling.
What the? Oh, yeah. Oh. Maybe take the needle out of
goes
it.
up on the spinning back fist attempt, unable to land.
Okay.
10 minutes into
So
camp,
let's
final
say,
fiber next.
just imagine we fucking actually measure anything.
This week at Jimmy John's, you can get 20% off
fucko.
orders of $20 by using promo code SAVE20. That's 20%
Oh,
off any
boy.
combination of sandwiches, drinks,
Oh,
and
yeah.
sides you can
Okay,
imagine.
that's how you use the
Combos
sewing machine.
for days.
Oh.
Just use SAVE20 online or on our app.
Your ukulele days are over.
Because live sports are back. So dust off your bright green jersey and tell the world what you're supposed to say.
Hulu has
Hey.
5 sports. Again.
Oh, yeah.
It's the smoothest, most
Okay.
award-winning.
Should we do...
T-shirts, burnt cookies, called your mom, now.
Oh, yeah, we're slimming it up a bit. Nope, and it came unthreaded.
Now start to have some moments
Okay,
here, and if you're
okay,
getting Chavez got
okay.
a little bit about risk management here lately.
Look at us.
At the clock.
Just taking a half an inch off the sides, because that's how we know we need our shirts to fit.